Hi, we're all back. A little while ago, I accidentally mashed up the galaxy we all know and love for good. Good guys became bad guys.
You insolent child.
Bad guys became good guys.
I find your abundance of faith encouraging.
It turns out I kind of like this new galaxy.
This could still be a good thing.
My name is Solitus. I've spent countless eons gathering power to unmake this galaxy once and for all.
Stop breathing so loudly, Vader. You'll blow our cover.
We have to defeat Solitus before the rift goes critical.
If Dev and I join together,
Wow.
maybe we could beat him.
We can't trust a Sith. Sith treachery is legendary. Legendary!
Can we just get to the fighting already?
My two favorite Jedi.
I'm here as well.
You ready to strap in?
1 second, I'm almost done checking.
We found a baby Yoda.
The baby's name is Grogu, baby.
All of us need to fight for the future. That's a giant Chewbacca.
You really want a piece of this?
This isn't how it was supposed to be. In the old stories, the good guys always find a way.
Congratulations, you're being destroyed.
Who's ready to go on a hyperspace joyride? Who are you?
The name's Jackson. You probably haven't heard of me because I'm a real deep cut.